So we are following on from the previous video, and the username that has been registered was client. Okay, put it in, password has been saved so the PC remembers it. Sign in. At this point we are now registering the tax identification number, so simply go down, accept and continue, and then we are linking your taxpayer account here. Let's link your taxpayer account. This taxpayer is an individual. The taxpayer type is a individual salaried person, and under you've got, okay, let's just discuss it. You get individual, business, government or trust. Under individual you get your subcategories, whether you are farmer and business, individual for farmer, individual for business, and so forth. Under business you get a closed corporation or company, normal company, or closed corporation for non-mining, simply because the tax rates differ. Companies and closed corporations has the same corporate tax rate, while there is a difference in that for mining, diamond mining specifically, and then other mining also. So these subcategories have been made to accommodate for the tax laws. So trust, just one kind of trust because all tax same. And now this one, for purpose of this demonstration, we're using an individual, subcategory, salary person. Put in the tax number. Now the tax number, your old tax numbers had 7 digits. This is not the case anymore. If you had a 7-digit tax number, you add a 0 in front to make it 8 digits. You will also get an instruction when the tax numbers, if you will see the incomplete tax identification number, please enter a complete TIN. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you go to 8, it will change that information to say that it is incorrect. Well, you have 8, but it's incorrect because it does not exist. So put in your tax identification number, that is your income tax number. So in his case it is 04816838. Okay, if the number is correct, there won't be a message from ITAS telling you that that number does not exist. Same of your ID. If you have incorrect ID here, and this happens with people who had old ID numbers. Most of your old ID numbers are still with receiver of revenue, hasn't been updated to your new ID numbers. So people who only have one ID number, which is the more younger generation, you won't have a problem. But this usually happens to people who have two ID numbers. They already had an ID number, has been registered on the old system. That information has been migrated from the old system TAS to ITAS with that old information, and I think receiver of revenue at some point asked via SMSs that we update our information. Most of the people did not do that. So just remember that when you register, you have to then sometimes call the receiver of revenue to find out which ID number is there. That is with the older folks. So put in your ID number. His ID number is that. I have permission for this information. Just use it. there's nothing. Let's see. Okay. If you submit this information, and let's make this wrong, you will see that ID number, there's some input controls, application controls that assist you not to put in a wrong thing before submitting. But then it won't take if this information does not match the information on registered with, at the receipt of revenue. So let's submit. You have successfully linked your taxpayer account in the portal, and then voila, you are on the portal. You have access to your information. You can go submit the return, and from this point onwards I won't be able to assist you because now it becomes personal information. So please go register the rest of the information. To submit the return, go to returns, okay, search your return. If there are returns outstanding, like all of this information has been assessed, you will see that this 2019 return, which is due end of this month, has not been submitted. You click on that and you file your return. File your return, information will come up. This is your old return. Stop filing returns. This old one. This thing. Get rid of this thing. Okay? It's a new error. There is your return. Upload your information. So if you have page N5 certificate, simply go to upload it, scan the document and come upload it. The rest of the information, Cheryl's fill in the income schedule, employment schedule 3 usually, and one thing that you must remember is schedule 24. This is a compulsory information. Those who have vehicles, for individual salaried who claim vehicles, schedule 19 is also compulsory. Please submit and fill in these returns. If these schedules, if you are done with this, and this year is a compulsory thing, you will see that you won't be able to submit the return before filling in schedule 24. But make sure you have this information, and well, if you are done, simply submit and your information will be there for the receiver of revenue to confirm after they have verified the uploaded information. So as easy as ABC. I hope I assisted someone.